Cheers,
yeah.
Wiz.
Cheers, man.
So, Woozy,
Yeah.
welcome to Sometimes HD. I say that like you've never been here before.
I feel like I spend so much time here.
Yeah, definitely. But it's all for good stuff because you cook really crazy food and you come and buy our stuff, which is awesome. It's a good pairing, I think. So we've been talking about this for ages, haven't we? Talking about doing a sauce for you.
Yeah.
So we were thinking about the different types of sauces we could make with you, weren't we? And
Yeah.
the main one that you kind of use with your stuff is a barbecue sauce, which obviously is how Tubby Tom started. You smoke a hell of a lot of stuff, so we thought maybe we'll do that kind of thing. So, yeah. What have you brought along with you today?
So, as I said to you yesterday, I had the smoker out anyway because I was doing some smoked ox cheeks.
Yeah.
So I used the fuel that was left to roast some peppers,
Sick.
charred some tomatoes.
Yeah.
Hell
yeah. They're great.
And then threw a packet of shallots and some red onions on the coals right at the very end.
Yeah.
And then just
They look amazing.
Then we've got some smoked garlic. Those ones are oak smoked, and I had some cherry smoke on the go, so I smoked some myself as well.
Sick.
Some smoked sea salt.
Yeah.
Some Dunkerton Black Fox cider, which we might put into it.
My wife loves the black box one. We kept
really
like
strong.
a bottle, like because the bottle's quite cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
The label, so we kept a bottle on our like fireplace for ages. You know, where you stick like the candles in, the tall candles, they just like drips.
That's cool. We used to do it in our fireplace.
Yeah, it's got it. Yeah, cool. So cider.
Yeah, and then some typical stuff that I think you mix up, like put in barbecue sauce, so some molasses, sugar.
Perfect.
Bought some like treacle.
Yeah.
Some honey. Some
big honey.
sauce as well.
Hell yeah. Yeah, Worcestershire sauce would be really good. You get that fishiness in the sauce. But that's what you really want. It's something that we don't put in our original barbecue.
Well, this is the thing, because I mean, I absolutely love
Thanks,
barbecue sauce, but like it's also like my favorite. Like because it's my favorite, I wanted to do like a take.
Yeah.
My take on barbecue sauce.
Hell yeah. And I love this. I think when we first started, when I first started mixing them years ago, I always used sauce in them. And we wanted to make the range vegan friendly because it appeals to more people. More people are going to buy the stuff. But I love Worcester sauce in barbecue.
Yeah.
I love honey in barbecue as well. So this is a treat because we haven't used honey in a barbecue sauce for a long time.
Sweet.
But yeah, maybe we'll see. Maybe we start using it all the time again. But, this smoked stuff looks amazing.
Yeah, so that's like say some shallots. We've got some red onion in there.
Yeah.
And then we can add these charred tomatoes to it. Might add like a bit of a different flavour perhaps.
Yeah, because we were thinking that maybe we would go for like quite less of a sweet kind of thing, weren't we?
Yeah.
So nice and savoury, maybe a bit meaty because we've got some secret powders and seasonings that we can add to it. Some yeast extract and stuff. And I think it's going to lend itself really well.
Awesome.
And this would be something that maybe will you be using it for like pulled meats or that
I
kind
think
of
so,
thing?
mate. Yeah, definitely. So the pulled meats, I mean, we absolutely love this stuff in your barbecue at the moment, so we need to use this for that. And like our smoked sliced brisket, it'd be good to have like a sauce that we can maybe like thin out and like
That's the thing. Is like sometimes I crave like a thin sauce because it just applicates so well to shredding. You want all of that stuff, especially with the meat juices and stuff, which we'll try and replicate with some of the yeast extract and obviously the imperils as well will help get that like meatiness to it. And then perfect time coming up to Christmas. So we'll do some bottles as well. I've got some sick bottles we can use. And then let's get pushing it.
Cool.
Go. Okay. Cool. cool. So we've got your smoked onions and the grilled tomatoes as well.
Yeah.
So we'll dump those straight in there. Look at that. Wow, it smells amazing already. That smells incredible. Yes! That's a good starter to a barbecue sauce, isn't it? That's amazing. Let's get some spices in there and get it cooking. Cool. That's it in there. Then give it a good stir. Okay, so we made the sauce. It came out banging.
Hell yeah.
It's a cider flavoured mustardy sweet barbecue sauce made specifically for Woozy. He uses a lot of our stuff and now he's got a sauce of his own. And it's going to be on sale soon, so keep an eye on it, and as soon as it's available, make sure you grab a bottle. Cheers,
yeah.
Wooz.
Cheers, man.